pulling together all of our files into one place is the big initiative for this year, so that we can just process cancellations faster, for example, make better decisions, and just gaining the insights into all of our contracts. It's just going to speed us up once it's all in one place. We had to define our initiative, run AI through 50% of our legal contracts of our customer agreements was the metric I decided to set for this year. But then we had to decide, what does AI even mean, right? Is it a natural language question I can ask, or we decided on a fuzzy search? But at least it's all in one place. It's, OCR, it's machine, and it's been going for weeks trying to even just get it. I mean, it's been a year-long project to pull it all together, but then even to process the data, to make it all searchable, and then building the AI tools. Our product team and our AI teams have been fantastic partners with that, but just figuring out what kinds of questions we want to train it to answer, that's been a journey as well. But I think that's going to really speed us up. And then, again, what is AI? The other thing we did is when I got there 4.5 years ago, every single contract we did was manually created. So I had a team of legal admins who would go into Salesforce, pull data, copy and paste it into Word templates all day long, every day. And we're doing 10,000 contracts per quarter at this point. It was less 4.5 years ago, but now 73% of that is completely automated. So a salesperson can get a contract by clicking buttons in Salesforce, and it automatically pulls and creates that contract instantaneously. They don't have to put it in the legal queue and wait. So that's allowing our legal admins, like one of them now is 50% of her time is spent on data privacy. They're learning, you think it's going to eliminate jobs. No, I have the same number of legal admins. They're just doing a lot more interesting stuff every day. And that's been great for their career development, for their satisfaction, and a lot of other things. It's been great for the business because now the contracts are getting, to the customers much more quickly, and that's been huge.
Yeah, same. Also, we have internal playbooks for some of our contracts team when they're negotiating contracts, our standard terms and conditions. So now we're trying to use those.
That's
so
a whole other thing, is using AI to actually
When
respond to red lines is kind of, I think, the next phase that a lot of legal teams are going to, yeah.